Hello YouTube, today we will do a review of 7-Eleven's Star Wars Rogue One cable organizer. Now this is what it looks like without the plastic. You just remove this and here we can see a picture of the Rogue One characters, and at the back it shows how to use it and the other cable organizers of the line. There are a total of 6, but as of this time the only ones that are released are the Death Star, the Imperial Army, and the Rebel Alliance. The Stormtrooper one, which is in the demo, the Death Trooper, and the mystery character are not yet released. But maybe I just didn't see them because the way they released this is that there would only be one design per branch. And I already went to 10 branches, but I was only able to see 3 different designs out of this time. So if ever we're able to get the Stormtrooper, the Death Trooper, or this very intriguing mystery character, please tell it in the comments below. So now we're looking at the Rebel Alliance. As you can see, it says Rogue One. At the back, and you can clip it like that onto our next one, which is the Death Star. This is what it looks like. And at the back, oops. And for the last one that I have now, which is the Imperial Army logo. As you can see, it's the Imperial Army logo. So, it's upside down. And at the back. So the Imperial Army one has a red part, while the Rebel Alliance and the Death Star one has a light blue and a dark blue respectively. So this is the 3 all together, and they are very nice. I would recommend getting these. Thanks for watching. Bye.